Hello, hope everyone's good. Welcome to another video, Crossword Done Daily Challenge. It's been a good week. I think I've got 4 so far. Let's hope I can finish the week strongly. So just to say to anyone just starting out on crosswords, as you might have seen during the week, when you do a specific crossword regularly, you get used to the style of clue and you see the repetition of clues often. So when you go through the clues and you look at one and you think, I know that one, that came up the other day, and you put it in with certainty, then that will give you a point to start on. Often when you're starting out, you know the answer, or you think you do, but you're not sure enough to put it down. But as you see from the repetition, that will bring the certainty. So with that said, if I finish today's grid, then next week I'll challenge myself with a new paper. So stay tuned. Okay, Friday, March 1st. Happy Friday, everyone. Let's go. Right, 1 down, hot and sticky. I think humid. 9 across, united. 12 across, country. Okay, we'll go humid. Okay, 17 across, propriety. Okay, good, decency. 18 down, sorcery. No, magic. That will be decorum. Propriety, decorum. I'm not sure it's E or A. Light purple. Could be in lilac. Oh wait. Unified, united. Okay. 12 across, country. 4 letters. I, beginning of I. Could be Iran. Could be Iraq. Could be, I think that's it. So 14 down. Okay, group of 9. Nonet. That's a crossword word. I don't think I've ever used it, but I see it in crosswords all the time, as I keep saying. So I think that means that's Iran. Okay, 2 down. Light purple. Okay, lilac. Okay, 13 down. Recoup. I think recover. ECO. 22 across. Pugilist. Boxer. It's an old word. Sometimes hear it. Recover. VE. 27 across. Hardly any. Few. Right, we'll go recover. 27 down. Ludicrous situation. Excuse me. I think farce. A. 32 across. Franklin, singer. Aretha. ETHA. 33 down. Prayer ending. Amen. Okay. 28 down. Very small, informally. Ooh. Teeny weeny, maybe. Teeny weeny. 27 down. Alright, we say fast. RCE. 37 across. Middle point. Center. Okay, so that would be weenie. Okay. 25 across. Heart unspoken. Sure, this came up a few days ago. Tacit. 23 down. Slices of bacon. Rashers. Okay, 39 across. Pry. Snoop. 36 down. Knock. I think rap. Or it could be tap. 35 across. Cinder. Ember. Rap. 26 down. Form a liking for. So that's 4 and 2. So I'll write a line there. 2 words. I think take 2. 38 across. Thin candles. Tapers. Okay, go back up to 3 down. Precipitation form. Dew, I think. Could be dew, yeah, probably. So 3 across. Slang word for money. D. Dosh, but that's not it. Offensive. It could be odious. O-D-I-O-U-S. 20 across. Old Nick. Ah, that's slang for Satan, I think. Only learnt this one not that long ago. Satan. Old Nick. Don't really hear that much. 21 down. Lowest point. Nadir. Word from Arabic. 34 across. Irritate. I think rile. 31 down. Dog lead. Leash. If the clue was leash, or it might be lead, but here it's the other way, so that's how they repeat. 30 down. Big cat. There's only 2. It's either lion or tiger. And this one's 5. 18 down. Sorcery. Magic. 29 across. Metropolis. Capital. O-L or A-L? We'll see. 16 down. Word for word. Literal. L-I-T-E-R. Literally, I think. Yeah. Go with it. 24 across. Looks long and fixedly. Gazes. Okay, decorum. Okay, I think that must be for offensive, odious. Okay, we'll go D-E-W. What's, oh, Dode. Slang for money, Dode. D-O-U-G. Great delight, G, glee. H, 6 down. Container for personal items. Handbag, H-A-N-D. Alright, okay. We'll go do, U-G-H. Dew. Precipitation form. 11 across. Broaden, widen. 10 across. Toil, labor. 8 down. Clean feathers. Preen. Okay, 7 down. Explosive devices. Bombs. Okay, so what's this one? 15 across. Esculent. Esculent. Wow, okay. I'm about to learn a word. This is something I look at and I do not know. So, I've got handbag, I think. So, handbag. So that's the thing with crosswords sometimes. See, I don't know that word, but right now when I look at it, I think what letter could fit in there? And so, all right, edible, I guess. But yeah, sometimes you can use your knowledge of English to see the configuration of letters and see what could come. You know, you see typically BLE or UGH, different combinations. So anyway, got there in the end. That's crossword done. So I guess next week I'll be challenging myself with a new crossword. I'm not sure which paper yet, but to be decided. So stay tuned and see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.